Hey guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This one is the March 2021 Luxe box. So this is my first Luxe box that I've ever gotten from them. So this is exciting. And I had no chill with one product in it. I think it was the most expensive one. Let me see. Yeah. I had no chill with the Soleil mini heat brush. I had to use it right away. Like, when this came, I had no chill. Oh, goodness. This does have a lot of stuff in this box, though, so it's very, very exciting. So just starting right off with that, since I already opened it, it does come with this pouch to store it in. And it's also got this little thing here about it. It's like got a ceramic tourmaline bristles that glide through your hair. Infrared technology locks in moisture for frizz-free hair, rapidly heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, heat-resistant bristle guard, and dual voltage for worldwide use. So this thing retails for $150, and it's a mini one. Imagine what the full size of this little bastard must cost. So the Soleil Mini Heat Brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. Yeah, I was so skeptical. Oh, come on. How would this really work? I didn't use it today, if you're judging by that. No, but I was shook. This actually does work. I was like, what? It's insane to me how well that works. But I'll do like a full review another time with it. So I'll hold on to the little thingy that goes around it. Try to get it back in the pouch though. That is like the hardest part with this, is getting it back in there where everything is all nice and neatly tucked in and not breaking the wire in the process. So, okay, we'll just kind of shimmy that back on for now. Good as new. Alright, so we'll set that just down here for now. Alright, next thing in here, we have the Barbarella palette. This is by Beauty London, and it retails for $50. Meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straight-up blasts of color. Jet-milled pigments deliver intense, saturated, light-reflective shades with gorgeous textures, plus long-lasting and non-creasing silky and velvety finishes. Now, on the Boxycharm subreddit, I saw so many people posting things like, "Not Barbarella," when they saw that they got this, and I don't understand what's wrong with this palette. If anyone knows, please comment down below, because I'm like, I don't understand. What's so wrong with it? I think it's pretty cool. Oh, goodness. Let's see. As far as I can tell, it's not like an ingredients thing, so like, I don't know. I'm gonna block the mirror. So it's like a mostly neutrally palette. There's a few real brights, but most of it, it's fairly neutral, so I was like, what's wrong with this? Why do people hate it? But yeah, the names are Hugh, Lewis, Andrea, Luca, Edie, Dami, Oliver, Brad, Jason, Dean, Mo, Nick, Coffee, Pablo, Ryan, Zachary, Johnny, Sabe, Jared, and Devore. Don't know if any of those have anything to do with anything, but yeah, that is the palette. I don't understand why so many people have been hating on it. I mean, I haven't tested it out or anything yet, so maybe it's just like really non-pigmented. I don't know. I don't know why people are hating on it so bad, but I was like, for how spendy it is, like, I'm kind of confused. Like, okay, whatever. Let's see here. By Eloise Beauty, I got the rose gold teardrop brush. Let's see it. And this retails for $45. How does it open over here? Oh! Okay. Ooh, it's so bougie. It's like lined in satin. Oh, okay. Oh, is this like one of those for like dry face brushing things? Is that what this is? Okay, it looks like that. Oh, that's so bougie. And it being named Eloise. I'm like, oh yes. Okay. So what does it say on here? The mini teardrop brush is the first ever brush to be made in its style, with thousands of super soft synthetic fibers in each vegan-friendly and cruelty-free brush. You're guaranteed remarkable results. The mini teardrop brush can be used for all base applications, making this revolutionary brush an absolute essential for any cosmetic enthusiast collection. Okay, so I guess it's not for the whole dry brushing thing, but like, huh, alright. Interesting. Sure is pretty though, and you know me and rose gold, so I was like, oh yes, alright. I am all about that. And the fact that it just happens to be named Eloise, I'm like, hell yes. Okay, next thing in here. This I'm a little less stoked for, but I like the novelty factor of it. This is by, what is it? Beauty Bakery, and it's blending egg beauty sponges, and these retail for 18 bucks. Get your beat on. It's soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on that beat. Cooked up with you in mind, blending eggs were uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hand for seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for eggs extraordinary caking that's hard to beat. Like, as near as I can tell, they're literally just mini beauty blenders. Let's see them. Oh, there's 6 in here. Like, the egg cartridge thing, it's cute. It's totally a novelty thing. Get out of here, silica gel. Fuck you. Okay. Yeah, there's like 3 teal, 3 pink. Yeah, these just feel like any old beauty blender. Feels exactly like the one I got in Ipsy that I feel a little gypped by, so I'm like, did all the beauty box companies just get like a shit ton of beauty blenders like in the past couple months that they're trying to get rid of by any chance? Is that what this is about? Because it's what it's feeling like. Oh goodness, so I guess that's a thing I have a bunch of now. Oh, this is just the instructions for the heat tool. I was like, what the hell is that? Oh, I'm a dummy. This I was super stoked for. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. This retails for $42, but oh, I have been eyeing this for a while. Like, this was something I was considering buying with my own money, like, even as spendy as it is. But this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The Silky Water Gel Serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. This, so many people swear by, and everything about it, I was like, yes, I am on board for that. Right here, what do we have here? This is by Omn Skincare, AMNH, Omn Skincare. Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. That's a lip mask? Fucking really? Like, there's like stars. There's like star sequins in here. And you're telling me that's a lip mask. Okay. This retails for $42. This looks like something you'd buy off of Etsy, not gonna lie. This 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how I feel about that one. Okay, over here we have from Dominique Cosmetics, the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. This retails for $18 and is in the color Crush. So, define and fill your lips with this unique teardrop-shaped lip liner. Narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good-for-you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. This silky, long-lasting demi-matte finish is so light and breathable you'll forget you're wearing it. Let's see it. Oh, what? Okay, so check it. Yeah, I can safely say I've never seen one shaped like that. They're right. That is unique. Okay, that'll be fun to review. And then finally, I think I actually got one of these in an Allure box one time too. if I'm not mistaken. This is, where is it? From Skin Inc., My Daily Dose of Glow. I'm pretty sure I have this already, and now I have 2, so I better like it, because I have 2 of it. This retails for $65. A custom pre-blended serum specifically designed to revive the look of dull and aging skin for a youthful complexion with an enviable glow. That's the one with the pink and blue dots in it, yeah? I definitely have this. Because I was like, I am almost certain I already own this. But on the other hand, I do like it. So, I mean, I'm not complaining. I was just like, wait, this is something I definitely have from another box. I got this from Allure, like, in one of my first boxes ever from them, if I remember right. But yeah, so I'm just putting the stuff back in here for now and trying to figure out how did it fit in the first place, because suddenly it's, like, not fitting. Oh, shit. Oh, mistakes were made. Did not plan that out. I think I got everything back in there. Looking around. Yeah, I think so. Anyways, that is it for this unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm excited to try these out. With the exception of maybe the blending eggs. I still don't know about that. But anyways, they're literally just beauty blenders. I don't know how excited you can be. But anyways, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts. My Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. If you'd like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye-bye.